how to set up fiberONE's DVB-C TV service. To use the cable TV service from fiberONE, you will need the fiberONE Internet and TV bundle. If we don't provide cable TV in your building, we offer IPTV via waipu TV as an alternative, which can also be used in combination with DVB-C if desired. A TV with a cable TV tuner, DVB-C, and an antenna cable with an IEC connector. To begin, connect one end of the antenna cable to the left port of the TV socket in your apartment and the other end to the cable or antenna port of your TV. Please also check the status of the TV converter in your media distributor. In your media panel, there is a black box labeled FTTH-CATV optical receiver with the fiberONE branding. It has one status LED. If the status LED on the converter lights up green, everything is in order. If the LED is blinking green, the power supply might be insufficient. Try using a different power adapter. If the LED lights up red, the fiber optic cable may be in the wrong fiber port, or your internet TV service might not be activated yet. Once your TV is connected to the wall socket and the TV converter shows a green light, please initiate a full channel scan for digital programs. This scan type may also be labeled full scan or something similar on your TV. It's important that you do the full scan and not an automatic scan or quick scan. Please note, with quick or network scan functions, your TV might not find the complete fiberONE channel package. Select cable as the signal source. If asked for a cable provider, select other or other provider. Your TV should now display all free SD and HD channels. Note, for encrypted channels, please contact the respective provider to obtain a CI card for decoding. We hope you enjoy your cable TV service from fiberONE. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us via email or phone.